Welcome to Tech Talk Reviews. When it comes to outdoor adventures, reliability matters most. The best lighter for camping ensures you can start a fire quickly, even in windy or damp conditions. Compact, durable, and easy to use, it's an essential tool for every camper. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. AlpCraft Windproof Lighter. The AlpCraft Windproof Lighter is built for users who want power, durability, and versatility in one compact tool. Designed with a turbojet flame system, this lighter performs exceptionally well in windy conditions, making it ideal for camping trips, BBQ nights, fireworks, cigars, and even emergency survival situations. One of its standout features is the jet flame color conversion ring at the nozzle, allowing you to switch the flame from blue to red while also adjusting flame size easily. No tools required. That level of customization adds both function and a unique visual appeal. Constructed with a zinc alloy metal body and a heat-resistant ceramic nozzle, the lighter feels solid and durable in hand. The cooling hole design helps the nozzle cool down faster after use, improving safety and extending product life. With a maximum heat output reaching up to 1300 degrees Celsius, it's powerful enough for light welding or soldering tasks during outdoor adventures.
Number 2. MK Outdoor Lighter. The MK Outdoor Lighter 3BL range is a versatile and user-friendly tool designed for everyday household and outdoor use. Featuring a 2-inch extended wand, it allows you to safely light candles, barbecue grills, fire pits, chimneys, lanterns, stoves, and campfires without placing your hands too close to the flame. This thoughtful design enhances safety and convenience, especially during holiday decorations or backyard gatherings. Its refillable butane tank ensures long-lasting performance. Refilling is simple. Just apply 2 to 3 pumps of butane, holding each for a couple of seconds, and it's ready to go. The Windproof jet flame performs reliably in both indoor and outdoor environments, making it suitable for camping trips, bonfires, and even lighting scented candles at home without frustration. The ergonomic body design and non-slip grip provide comfortable handling and better control during use. Lightweight and portable, the MK Outdoor Lighter fits easily into kitchen drawers, picnic baskets, or camping gear. The build quality reflects careful manufacturing standards, focusing on durability and safety.
Number 3. SOTO Refillable Lighter. The SOTO Pocket Torch Extended is a high-performance refillable lighter engineered for serious outdoor enthusiasts. Designed with advanced electronic ignition, it provides quick, reliable starts every time, eliminating the frustration of traditional flint-based systems. Its wind-resistant burner ensures a steady flame even in challenging weather, making it a dependable companion for camping, hiking, and emergency preparedness. Despite its compact size, the extended burner head enhances precision and safety, allowing you to reach deeper into grills, camp stoves, or fire pits without risking burns. With an impressive maximum temperature of up to 1300 Celsius, around 2300 degrees Fahrenheit, this lighter delivers intense heat suitable for lighting campfires, barbecue grills, and even detailed DIY tasks like soldering or caramelizing food. Refilling is straightforward, especially when using SOTO's dedicated fill adapter or compatible butane cartridges. It supports standard butane as well as outdoor fuel canisters containing butane, isobutane, and propane blends. Keep in mind that gas is not included, so you'll need to purchase fuel separately.
Number 4. SUPRUS Rechargeable Lighter. The SUPRUS Rechargeable Lighter offers a modern alternative to traditional butane torches by using flameless plasma arc technology. Instead of producing a flame, it generates an electric arc that resists wind and light rain, making it highly reliable in outdoor conditions. This wind and splash-proof design ensures consistent performance during camping trips, barbecue sessions, hiking adventures, or even lighting candles indoors. Safety is clearly a priority in its design. The lighter includes a power-off chip protection system and an external safety lock switch. To ignite, you must first push the safety lock and then press the ignition button, reducing the risk of accidental activation. Additionally, the spark automatically stops after 7 seconds to prevent overheating. Simply restart the switch to reignite when needed. Portability is another strong feature. Lightweight and compact, the SUPRUS lighter fits easily into pockets, backpacks, or kitchen drawers. Unlike butane models, there's no need for fuel refills. Instead, it's USB rechargeable and features a real-time battery display with 4 LED indicators. When all 4 lights are on, the device is fully charged.
Number 5. AlpCraft Butane Lighter. The AlpCraft Butane Lighter 2-pack offers a compact yet powerful solution for outdoor enthusiasts and everyday users alike. Measuring just 0.7 by 0.7 by 5 inches, these small torch lighters are easy to carry in backpacks, toolboxes, or even pockets, making them excellent EDC accessories. Despite their size, they can reach temperatures up to 1300 degrees Celsius, producing a strong, wind-resistant turbojet flame ideal for camping, hiking, grilling, or lighting fireworks. Like most butane torches, they ship unfilled due to regulations, so you'll need to fill them with high-quality butane before use. Using premium fuel helps maintain a consistent flame and prevents nozzle clogging. A standout feature is the visible fuel level window, which allows you to monitor butane levels easily and refill at the right time. The construction combines a zinc alloy metal body with a heat-resistant ceramic nozzle, ensuring durability and resistance to deformation over time. Choosing the right lighter for camping can make every outdoor experience safer and more enjoyable. Whether you're lighting a campfire, stove, or lantern, a dependable, wind-resistant lighter ensures peace of mind. Invest in quality, keep it handy, and enjoy worry-free adventures under the open sky.